Hey, I'm Sam, the Old Car Lady. This is Richy Barnett. He's the markets editor for Classic Car Weekly and a friend of mine. So we're at the NEC for the Iconic Classic Car Auctions to have a look at a few cars that have caught our eye. We're going to discuss what we think they're going to fetch.
Oh, good luck with that then.
And then we're going to come back and see how close we were. So this, I love a Morris Minor anyway, but this is a really special car. Come and have a look around the back. It's a Morris Minor 1 million. And they only made these in very small numbers. I think one per dealer.
Across
yeah.
the country.
So probably likely around about 100, we reckon. To commemorate the millionth Morris Minor that rolled off the production line. They made them all in lilac. They made them all with white leather, and they very rarely come to market because most people that own them don't want to part with them. Now, these do tend to change hands for anywhere between sort of £15,000 and £20,000 when they do come to market. I think this is a particularly nice one. Reported to be running, driving. It's probably the nicest one I've seen for a while, although there is another one on the Morris Minor stand that we're going to go and have a look at yet. Right. So I think this, I think given current market, I think 12 to 15-ish.
That's about right. I think the problem with them is, Sam, as much as anything, how many people understand a Morris Minor million? I think a lot of people will look at it and go, well, what is it? What is it? I mean, do people cognoscenti know? But who else does? That's the thing.
If you're going to spend 12, 15, 18, 20 grand on a Morris Minor, are you going to use it in the same way you're going to use the 5 to 10 grander? Probably not.
No.
This normally ends up in a collection.
This is fantastic.
Where do you think it's going to land?
It's a good show. This is a good show for this kind of car. What they estimated it at? I'd like to see it draw 15 to 18 today.
Well,
15 to 18.
That's exactly what it's guided at, 15 to 18.
That's where I think it'll be in the higher part. 16
I think it'll be in the lower.
I think
it'll be nearer the lower end.
16.5 to 18.
Bet you a cup of tea.
You're on. No sugar.
Right, on to the next one.
The lovely Morris Million was guided at 15 to 18. I thought it would do slightly under at 12 to 15. Richie thought it would do top end 16.5 to 18. It actually sold for £12,600, including premium. So I won my bet, and I should be calling in that cup of tea next time I see you, Rich.